Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the Geekbench Mark 5 test comparison between all of these three Snapdragon 870 mobile phones which I got right now. Yes friends, right now I do have the three phones with the Snapdragon 870. First is the iQOO 7 device, and second is the Realme GT Neo 2, and third phone is the Mi 11X device. So this is another most requested question asking me to do the Geekbench Mark 5 just to see single core performance which phone will be having the highest, and the multi-core which phone will be having the highest result. That's what my main idea of comparing all these three smartphones side by side. And one quick note, all three smartphones are exactly 8GB RAM variants and 128GB models. That's what I thought of mentioning. And all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management. There's no running application at this moment. And now let me to open the Geek Benchmark test and start the test. Now let me to start running the test in all the three smartphones. As you can see friends, right now the test is going to continue, the Geek Benchmark 5 test. So once out of the test results, we'll be able to find out what is happening with the results. Because I never did this kind of Geek Benchmark 5 test comparison between all of the three smartphones. But I did do the Android benchmark test comparison, not the Geek Benchmark 5 comparison. So usually what is happening is that in the Realme GT Neo 2, I'm not getting more than 3000 in the multi-core performance. For some reason, I'm not sure why. So usually the Snapdragon 870, it can reach up to 3400, 3500 as well in the iQOO 7 device. This can actually reach. Even in the Mi 11X also, the phone can actually reach up to that kind of high standards in the Geek Benchmark. But let's see, now we will be able to understand what is happening real time between this all Snapdragon 870 chipsets side by side. And the first phone to finish the Geek Benchmark 5 results, I think the Mi 11X device and the iQOO 7 device, these both phones are slightly higher, but the iQOO 7 device is slightly faster as well in terms of the finishing the test results. It's kind of 90% at this moment. And second, the Mi 11X device is trying to be fast. So in case if you want me to do any other side-by-side comparison between these three smartphones, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll do my best to post the video as soon as possible comparing all of these three devices. Finally friends, we got the benchmark scores, Geek Benchmark 5 results in all of the three smartphones, and you can clearly see what is happening in the single core. Single core, the highest performance is the iQOO 7 device, which has got a 1030. You can clearly see what is happening with the single core, and the multi-core is 3479, so 3479, and second highest is a Mi 11X device with the 3420. As you can clearly see friends, 3420 and 3479, and 3018 in the Realme GT Neo 2, and the single core is also very low when compared to this phone. I'm not saying this core is very, I'm saying that when compared to other Snapdragon 870, this phone did score slightly less in the Geek Benchmark, but in the Android application, it was able to score slightly higher values in the Android benchmark application. Yes, more than these two phones, this was able to record the highest values in the Android benchmark application. But in the Geek Benchmark 5, this phone is slightly struggling. You can see the multi-core, how much difference it said. There's a huge difference, 400. That's huge. Not 50, not 100, but close to 400 difference is there, friends. In the iQOO 7 case, it's kind of close to 500 difference in the iQOO 7 device in the multi-core. So that's it friends, it's a quick comparison between all of the three smartphones, and I thought of doing a single video where I thought of explaining you the single core and the multi-core performance. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I'll illustrate for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.